Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University, College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Hulngan City, Negros Oriental, 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission, the university should provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals, Negros Oriental State University strive to advance. NORSO, N stand for National Development through Effective Partnership. O stand for Opportunity and Access to Poor but Deserving Student. R stands for Research and Teaching Function. S stands for Scholarship and Innovation. U stands for Unity and Diversity of Culture. Corporate Values. Core value represent what we believe in, giving character to our university operation. These are Sapphire. S stands for spirituality. A stands for accountability. P stands for professionalism. P stands for patriotism. H stands for harmony. I stands for integrity. R stands for respect. And E stands for excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instruction, research, extension services, and production, as well as to comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. Kabilin. K stands for kinship of mind and heart for development. A stands for adaptability and accountability in the preparation. B stands for benchmarking with global standard and practices. I stands for industry and hard work for productivity. L stands for leadership and societal transformation. I stands for interdependence with various stakeholders. N stands for nurturing desire for harmony of man and nature. Criminology, education, vision, mission, and objective. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education Program commit itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuance to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. Number one, it seeks to provide vast opportunities and instruction and guided experience whereby the student learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skill essential to the practice of criminology. Number two, it provides the student with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. Number 3. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and an understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men. his community and his country. Number 4, it inspire and instill in the student the value of service to humanity. Number 5, it encourage research and inquiry in the field of criminology in the criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologist and it's registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission, Commission pursuant to RA 6506 Section 23 define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he hold himself of the Republic in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duty recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil eligible for the following position. A. Fingerprint. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document question examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. G. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 983022, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from the PNCO rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33, provides the licensed criminologist may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11. General Order. Number 1. To take charge of dispose in all companies' property in view and preserve the name with utmost diligence. Number 2. To walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that take place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To report all calls from the post more distance from the guardhouse where I am stationed. To quit. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass out the relieving guard all orders from company officer or officials superiors, post in charge or shift leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all companies, officials, superiors in the agency, ranking, public official and commission officer of the EFP and officer of the PNP. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging to challenge all person on or or near my post and to allow no one to pass or later without proper authority and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. The law enforcement code of ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deception, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsold as an example to all, maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn or ridicule, development, self-refrain, and be constantly mindful in the welfare of other, honest in thought or deed in both by my personal and official life. I will exemplary in obeying the laws, the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or hear of confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of duty. I will never act officiously, officiously, officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudice, animosities, or friendship to influence my decision with with no compromise for crime and with relentless persecution of criminals. I will I will enforce the law court, courteously and appropriately without fear or favor. Malice or ill will never accepting accepting gratifies in return. I I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of republic faith and accept it as a republic trust. I shall wear in with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess only while I fulfill this solemn obligation. Dito ako to, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.